This curl of cloud to the west, this will work in for Saturday, some wet weather for northern areas, but today we have this little lump of cloud, just a weak little weather system. A few spots here and there, a few showers to northeast Scotland. Top numbers though, with the brightest skies, 19, 20 towards the south and east. That weather system fizzles away. And then we have a quietish sort of night. We bring in some more cloud, and our next little curl of cloud, the wetter of the blue wind to the north and the west, and numbers 7 to 10 or 11 to get us into a Saturday morning, which is a fine looking start for some of us, particularly, say, the further south and east. Our lovely ridge of high pressure, he'll hang on there. Notice our little curl, our weather system, where the main energy will work through pretty quickly, so the big lump of blue squeezes itself and just really shrinks and fizzles as it works its way south. So what is some wet weather? Not really much as it comes further south. But here's southern counties looking good for the first part, from Salisbury to London. Bright skies, 11 as you start off Saturday, even up across East Anglia, looking fine. Up through the Midlands, might just see a little bit of patchy cloud. Further north to northern parts of England as well, a dry start. It's as we come to, say, parts of Cumbria, and then across maybe the borders of Scotland towards northwest Scotland, where the wet weather is. But notice Aberdeenshire, still a reasonably dry and bright start for you. Wet weather, maybe the odd heavier burst for western Scotland and Northern Ireland as this weather system works through for Saturday morning. Coming further south across the Irish Sea, Wales will have a dryish start, a bit more cloud to the west coast. Cardiff will be dry at 11, and southwest England, fine looking start, maybe just some patchy cloud, 11 for Plymouth. And as we go through the day, remember our weather system, the main energy is working through, so what is a big lump of blue? Notice how it shrinks through the day, just really becoming bits and pieces of rain as it gets down to northern England. But look at Northern Ireland, brighter skies and warm air from the south, 22. Watch that little lump of blue to the far southeast, could sneak into maybe Kent, Sussex by the end of the day. We'll see how it goes. And of course, racing fans, it'll be fine for the qualifying in Monte Carlo, 26 there. Sunday, the race day, 28, and of course, all the coverage on the BBC for that. How about Sunday? This is the day when I think a lot of us might be pushing the barbecue out if you are planning. Sunday's a dry day for most of us, looking good, 22. That little weather system into the far north and west might sneak into for some of us. Monday, if you do have the plans, bear in mind there might be something thundery sneaking up to southern areas. Further north and west, you might not be too bad, 15, 16.